Hello! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hotel Stella sa May Puente. Ang susunod na istasyon, Basilica Minore del Santo Niño.
Mamaya, sakay tayo ng jeep, papunta ron. Tara! Maayong buntag! Andito na tayo sa Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. So, ang daming tao, maraming tourists. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga infrastructures nila rito. Para typical Roman architecture. Ikot tayo. Alam nyo ba, noong 1565, natagpuan ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi ang Santo Niño de Cebu? Dito rin ipinangalan ang pinakamatandang simbahan sa buong bansa na ngayon ay kilala sa tawag na Basilica Minore del Santo Niño.
Next up, Magellan's Cross! Naata diri Magellan's Cross! Woo!
Prompter kailangan mo.
Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Makadto na kami sa Fort San Pedro. Ayaw ba yun? Naata! Nadiri! Fort San Pedro, Cebu City, Philippines!
Welcome to Fort San Pedro. This is the seat of the Spanish colonial government in May 8, 1565. So the fort was once built up of logs and mud, and then it is built 11 days after the arrival of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi here in Cebu. So we should get this one.
Wow, ang lakas ni ate, natanggal yung brick.
So this is a mortar stone.
Good morning, this is from BBC News. We are in Nuestra Senora de la Cota, Virgin of Remedy.
So they believe that this image was found inside the well.
Melanie from the Cebu Tourism, naghang salamat sa pag-tour nimo kanamo diri sa fort.
San Pedro.
Lika, mangauna tayo sa CNT lechon para sa ating pananghalian. Tara na, let's go!
Vámonos!
Bye-bye!
Rosalinda, ay amor!
Woke up cold one Tuesday. I'm looking tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day life. So I quickly opened the wardrobe, pulled out some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of old shoes that were ripped around the seams. And I thought, these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No, short on money but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes. Woke up late one Thursday, and I'm seeing stars as I'm rubbing my eyes, and I felt like there were 2 days missing as I focused on.
CNT lechon!
I'm so hungry!
Tung na ako! Lika, kain na tayo ng lechon!
Let's go! Ladies, okay, the famous lechon Cebu!
Kuha daw tayo ng number para pumila para sa ating lechon! Titigil na po ba kayo? Wala. Sabit ko lang ang marching na lang. Kaya pala lang ang titig mo sa lechon. Kapumila na tayo para makakuha na tayo lechon. Tara na! Mana ating nga lechon. Lagyan mo ng toyo. Bayad na ito. Malasa siya. Compare sa lechon natin sa Manila, tsaka mas hindi masyado mataba. Hindi ko alam bakit walang sarsa dito. Pero but they serve dinuguan. Ayan. At ito yung sauce nila, tong toyong picante. Tara na, kain na.
Pwede nga lechon.
Grabe! Pagod na ako. Pero andito na tayo ngayon sa Museo Sugbo. Ngayon pupunta naman tayo kasi marami na naman tayo makikita historical artifacts dito. For our history, para sa mga nanonood nito. Let's go, come on! Yeah, Museo Sugbo. Meron tayong mga turista sa loob. So yan, kung mapapansin nyo, halos lahat ng mga nandito is historical artifacts talaga. Tapos, bawal ang flash dito guys. Kung makikita nyo, this was used by our ancient mga ninuno, no? So ito yung ginamit nila para mabuhay sila. Ito yung tinatawag ng mga pointed stone. So, yan. Ito naman, yan.
Kabako.
Ito yung parang pinakabangka nila before.
Kabako.
So, yan. Or kabaong. Bangka yung shape niya. Pero kabaong siya.
Do you know why? Do you know why?
Why?
Because during that time, they believe that when a person dies, he travels going to heaven, riding in a boat. That's why their coffin was shaped like a boat.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Lumang
If
sinelas
you want to
vlogger.
know how did I know about that,
Yeah.
I read it there.
Isa to sa pinaka-historical kay Lapu-Lapu and Magellan and everything.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga sinaunang pangyayari. Tsaka meron akong paboritong quote na sinasabi lagi nung idol ko. Sabi niya, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why it's called present.
Yeah.
Bye.
Kami? Ganun? Sige. Maayong, buntag?
Maayong
Woke up cold one Tuesday.
Binuksan nyo, parang
Looking
ganito.
tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day.
Gosh, I'm effective. Stop it.
Hi, I'm Miko Medel and I'm a photographer. We're inviting you to join us here at Globetrotters PH. Subscribe now.